Who doesn't love a surprise mail drop-off? Check out what I got from Scrapbook Fantasies today. You will be impressed.
Hi everybody, I just thought I'd do a reveal of a stash from Scrapbook Fantasies. Now, I got my order today and I thought I was just getting my order that I put in. So, I am happy to see that I got my beautiful printable sheet here of these wonderful flowers. I just love the colours, and I'm going to fussy cut those out, ready for a layout, because I've been waiting for them to arrive so I could do. And then I got these amazing stencils. This one here has got bees on it, and I am using that on a future layout. And then this one here has got a geometric pattern, and I will be using that on it. So that will appear. I love it because it gives a background. It allows me to do lots of things with that. I then have these amazing acrylic stars, which I will find a project for, and acrylic hearts. Aren't they amazing? Look at those. The quality is amazing. So I will be finding projects for those. You will see them coming up future. Now I've also got these acrylic snowflakes, and look at those, amazing. And I will be featuring those surely on Christmas layouts to come. I also got wood grain, of course. It wouldn't be me without wood grain. This is the Traveler's Journal #1, and look at that on the back. Isn't that just stunning? I love this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Watch out, there's going to be a layout very soon with these. And then I got the vellum, which is amazing, from Devoted to Denim Vellum, and this is vellum butterflies. Now, how spectacular do they look? Now, that will be fussy cutting. What a great addition to a cluster or a layout, but those beautiful, clean printed butterflies on vellum, which I will spend time fussy cutting. I got another one of the wood grain because, of course, I can't go buy a good wood grain, and of course I do love this background. This would have to be, I would say, one of my most favorite backgrounds that Alicia has done. I just love it. Scrapbook Fantasies, beautiful. Traveler's Journal #1, you must get. Go to the store, go get it. It is well worth it. And this one is Traveler's Journal #5. Once again, a mixed media-ish type background. And on the reverse, we have all of these beautiful icons for travel, icons for, you know, an adventure really. And so they will be fussy cut. Look at that, it complements beautifully. It's a half page, I could do a half, but they're the icons that are on the back, and I will fussy cut those out and they will appear in a layout in the future. Now, I was not expecting this. This is what every creative team member lives for. The excitement of finding out what we get to work with next. And let's have a look. Aren't they beautiful? All Scrapbook Fantasies deliveries come wrapped beautifully. Wrapped up in this beautiful tissue paper with a nice personalized sticker, and you get your order. It's amazing. So you're watching. I don't know what this is. I haven't opened it, so you're seeing me open it. So it is pretty exciting because, let's face it, who doesn't love a surprise? And we're going to do this surprise together.
This was the surprise today in the mail, not knowing what I was getting, and you really want one of these.
So I am opening it and making it a great surprise, a great reveal. Oops, and I'm pulling out from here, and then I am doing this. Oh, these are things you need to remember. They have a save date. They're coming to a mini trip retreat in Brisbane. They have their creative cruise this December. There are still limited places. Go check them out. It is with these guys, and they're who I always go on a crafting cruise with. This company, fantastic. You won't be disappointed. Go check it out. And then there's a newsletter with all the pages, and then I'll read this later, but let's have a look. Okay, we have got some amazing things to work with. So I have the fabled chippies. Now, instead of using foam tape, Alicia and Naomi use chippies. Chipboard, which they cut up and put behind photos, embellishments and things like that to pop up their projects. So I will be using these on projects in the future. Some beautiful black lace, which will make a feature, no doubt, on a layout, and some white cardstock. Ooh, I'm wondering what the agenda is. Then look at this. We have on a companion page here, and we have some other little delightfuls that we are being asked to use. Let's have a look. So I have Flair. I have, yes, rice paper, which is the Islands rice paper, which is just beautiful. And I like working with rice paper, and I'll show you how I use that soon. Have fussy cut elements, which, whales and dolphins and shells. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at the vellum. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Some more here. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. All that rice paper going to make a feature. And a shell vellum and a companion page. Beautiful wood grain. You know I'm loving the wood grain. It's going to be beautiful. I can't wait to start working with it. So let's have a look at what else has come in. That's amazing. And then, oh, look how cute. This is fab, 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 fab. Look at the flare. The flare is just beautiful. These are sea flares. Beautiful, beautiful. Turtles and shells. Shells and the sea. I don't want to pull them all out. There's coral. There's shells. Look, nautical. Amazing. Chippies here. Look, the dolphins. That's fabulous. Got the word discover. Got a beach day. Sandy toes. Coral. Fantastic. Look at these. This is going to be great. We're going to be creative. We're going to really stretch the imagination. Look at these color cuts. They're called color cuts. Look at how they come. Aren't they fantastic? Let's just open this one and have a little bit of a venture through it. Let's just have a look so you can see the quality. Look, I'm not going to pull them all out because there's heaps. Look at it. There's heaps, as you can see. But look at this. So many. Diverse. Fantastic. You need to go and check them out. Scrapbook Fantasies. I'll have all the details down below. Make sure you go and check them out. You won't be disappointed. Alicia creates it all. Naomi John, she cuts it all. The papers are printed here in Australia. They are Australian made. They are Australian quality, which means they are great quality, which means they are thick papers. They are good. They are not thin. They are very, very good quality. Well worth purchasing, I can assure you. So much variety, so much design, so much creativity goes into them. And you can see in the future, in my next few layouts, no doubt, where these will make a majestic appearance. Look at this turtle. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Fantastic. Oh, look in the big bottle. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do? This is crazy good. Crazy cool. Look, message in a bottle. All the shells, all the sea life things. Beautiful. So that's the new creative kit I'm going to get to start working with. I know you're going to be waiting for these designs to hit my screen, your screen, everybody's screen, and I want you to go check it out. This is called a companion page. So this is a companion page, and it's from the Islands, and it's the companion page. Look at this vellum. Beautiful. Rice paper. Rice paper. Vellum, vellum, vellum. Can't wait. Getting onto it. Going to have a great time. See you real soon with our layout created from these wonders from our creative team pack today. Catch you real soon.
So that's a no patterned paper mystery bulk pack that you can get from Scrapbook Fantasies. All the details down below. Go check them out. Don't forget, stay creative. See you in the next video. Won't be long before I'm creating.